Welcome, today in front of me is TCL 10 Top Max, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store, and here in the search pool let's enter green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application. That's why tap here to install, and just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, and just tap here to enable in settings. Now near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap here OK, again OK, and go back. Then click here to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's go, for example, here into the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.